Let us now complete level 2.3 of MTM 2020. This challenge is called JCL1. Click on it. This is worth 50 points. This challenge will introduce you to JCL, which is Job Control Language. Here are the instructions. Here is the PDF that we have to download. JCL1, download this. Then open this PDF. This PDF has 9 steps. Let's start with step 1. Run the JES1 job 1 JCL. So go to the mtm2020.public.jcl. So this is JES1 job 1. This is in public.jcl. We first have to copy this into our own dataset. So this is my user id.jcl. Paste it here. Give it the same name, JES1 job 1. Enter. And you will see this job has been copied to my dataset. Then submit it. Job submitted. Then go to jobs MTM 2020. Here is JES1 job 1. Condition code is 0. You can see condition code is 0. That means successful execution. Expand this. If you do not see a job, then you can also click on this refresh icon. Once you refresh this, you will see JES1 job 1. So step 2 and step 3 are now complete. And step 4 is to find the secret word. Then in JES1 job 1, you have to go to JES-JCL. Here you have to go to step 8, and in step 8 you will see a dataset userid.secret.word. Copy the name and then see the contents of this dataset. So let us now go to MTM 2020, search, give your user ID, and here is the dataset .secret.word. Click on it. And you can see the secret word. The secret word is giraffe. Copy this. You can note it down in a notepad. Next we have to do is we have to copy JES1 job 2. So go to public.jcl. Here we have JES1 job 2. Copy this and put it inside your own JCL PDS. JES1 job 2. This is JES1 job 2. So here it is showing a comment. The line 5, this is the line 5, needs a secret value to execute. The secret value we just found out, it was giraffe. So copy this giraffe, paste it after secret. So here I have given now giraffe, then click on save. Give Ctrl+S to save it. So saving dataset. Dataset uploaded successfully. Make sure you do this step, otherwise this step will fail. After it is saved, you can right click and submit job. Job submitted. After few moments, go to job, give here refresh, then go to MTM 2020. Here you can see JES1 job 2, condition code is 0. Expand this. So you can see JES1 job 2 ended, return code is 0. Return code of 0 means successful execution. Step was executed, condition code 0. So we completed step 7, in which we gave the secret as giraffe. We then saved it and submitted the job. Step 8 is also complete. And in the final step, we have to check the output. To check the output, just go to public.jcl and submit chk job. Here is public.jcl. Submit the chk job. Submit job. Job submitted. Refresh the jobs. So here is chk. Expand this. Then go to system print, and here you can see JCL1, and you will see it is correct. That means JCL1 is now complete. Same way, earlier we completed PDS1, so it is showing us PDS1 is also correct, it is completed. VSC2 is also complete, it is showing correct. All these challenges have been completed and the rest are left. So our JCL1 is now complete. Also, I can go to my user id.output, go to JES1 job 2, and here I can see success. Congratulations on fixing your first JCL. This is the output of that JCL. So here refresh this page and you will see JCL1 is not here, it is in the completed tab. You can see JCL1, it is now completed. Level 2.3 is now complete. Let's now move to level 2.4. If you like my videos, then you can support me by buying my mainframe course. After buying this course, you will get 19 hours of mainframe training. This course will teach you COBOL, JCL, vSAM, TSO, ISPF, Unix System Services and CICS. You can watch the free preview before buying my course. Make sure you buy the course using the referral link in the description.